Hey everyone, Some Cunt here with a quick tutorial on how to stop Windows 10 version 2004 asking for a PIN. I'm using a virtual machine for this as easier to record from, so that's why you see Microsoft Edge on my computer. Don't worry, I don't actually use that as my main browser. Anyway, let me start by showing my version of Windows is in fact version 2004, the latest update at the time of recording. And now I'm going to restart the VM to show you the startup screen in its current state. As you can see, it's asking for a PIN. Let's sign in and then get rid of that. First we're going to Settings, Accounts, then we're going to click Change to Local Account. As you can see, it's asking for a password now, so if you want to use a password instead, go ahead, but if not, then just press Enter. That's all done, so let's restart the VM to verify the changes have worked. And as you can see, it's no longer asking for a PIN and we can sign right in. So thank you for watching and I hope this was very helpful.